Hello, dear kids. How are you? I hope you all are doing very well. This is your Learning Lab online school, and I am your teacher, Sabeen Asad. Today, this is your lesson number 7, and we will learn about our new sound, and that sound is say with me, all of you. As can you hear that sound in castanets? Yes, it is the beginning sound of castanets. And can you hear k sound in cat and in kitten? Yes, cat, kitten. Very nice. Now let's do action for that sound. Snap your fingers together in the air as if you are playing castanets and say k, 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 k. Very nice, kids. Let's see what is next. Wow, we have so many vocabulary words with us. First of all, we have a cat. Can you see a cat here? I'm going to show you. I'm going to circle it for you. Okay, I'm going to circle it with red so you can see it. This is your cat. And that cat has a kitten. Wow. Cat, kitten. And we have a crab here. Crab. Koala. Okay, kids, can you clap your hands? Clap like this. Yes, and we have a cap here. Cap. Caterpillar. Caught. Kiwi. Kite. And then at last we have a king with us. King. I'm going to repeat them all. Cat. Kitten. Crab. Clap. Cap. Caterpillar. Caught. Koala. Kiwi. Kite. King. Very nice, kids. We have so many vocabulary words with us. Next, we have our story. We have our story boxes. Let's listen that story. What is here? Wow, we got a caterpillar kingdom here. Once there was a caterpillar kingdom where all caterpillars lived with harmony. They loved their king as the king was very kind. The king had a cute crown. Can you see a king caterpillar? And he had a cute crown. And kids, can you see so many caterpillars over there? The king counted the caterpillars. He counted 10 of them. Let's count them. Count with me. 1 caterpillar, 2 caterpillar, 3 caterpillar, 4 caterpillar, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and here we have our 10th caterpillar. Very nice. That king counted caterpillars and he counted them 10. Very nice. This is our story boxes. Okay, now we have our formation of our sounds. Let's see what is here. Can you see? We have a k, k. We have a cat. And cat has the shape of K. I'm going to show you like a K, cat, K, caterpillar. And we have our kicking K as we have cat, koala, kangaroo, and its tail. Write it with me again. Cat, caterpillar, kitten, koala, kangaroo, and its tail. Very nice, kids. Let's see what is next. We have some activities related to our today's sound. You can make a K with the help of some pom-poms. You can decorate your cupcake. You can cut some pieces, colorful pieces, and you can stick on your cupcake and you can write K on your cupcake. And you can make a carrot. You can cut a carrot. And the carrot is shape of K. And there is another activity. You can make a kangaroo carrier. That kangaroo has a pocket and you can keep something in his pocket. You can use it as a pencil box as well. Okay, kids, next we have our some portfolio activities. We can make a caterpillar with paper cuttings. We can make a cat with a paper with the help of paper, and we can even cut a kangaroo with the help of paper and scissors. We can make a we can make a koala, and you can make a kangaroo as well. If you want to make a kangaroo, you can make a kangaroo. And if you want to make a koala, you can practice koala as well. This is your koala, cat and caterpillar. Okay, this is your activity sheet. First of all, you can write on your formation space. Start from the dot 1, go around like a caterpillar. Then for kicking her, you can start from dot 1, go down, then back up to the middle, make a bow, then a kick. This is your K sound. These two letters represent K sound. And we have a cat. You can color that cat and you can color that kitten. Okay, kids, now we have a space for formation. You can write your sounds here. Like this. This is your formation space. You can practice it, and if you want, you can write kicking ka like this. These both kicking ka are correct. You can write it as like this, and if you want, you can write it as like this. They both are correct. Okay, thank you so much, kids. Take care. Bye.